Hi guys, my name is Juan Pablo Loesa. My friends call me Paul. I'm Mexican. I've been living in Cancun for 30 years, and I'm the CEO and founder of this brand called Kinson. We've been here for 17 years, and we have clients in the biggest hotel chains, biggest supermarket chains, and convenience stores. We're everywhere here. It's organic product, Eco Park admitted, and everything. So now I want to introduce to you our new brand, which is called SeaWi. SeaWi, as we want to launch it as an international brand because, as you know, we have this problem of seaweed or sargassum all around the Caribbean. This is growing. We have millions of tons coming into the beaches every year. So when the government just picks it up and takes it to the jungle and burn it, right? So this is not good for the planet. It's not good for anybody. Tourism is being really affected because of this, because they come to these tourist places and then they have well, they don't have a great experience with this all on the beach, right? So we came up with this line, which is SeaWi, and SeaWi, it's souvenirs. These are magnets, for example. We have also keychains, for example. We have hats. We have bottle openers. We have a whole line of products, which I will be sending you pictures and or more videos. But what I want to say today is that a percentage of this product is going to clean the beaches and develop new products. This will be launching the 10th of August. We have clients already in big hotels and big in the airports everywhere here in Mexico. And we're going to in January we have a new line, which is furniture for home, for hotels, and for restaurants. They're really beautiful, really nice designed furniture with that you just put together without screws, without glue, and without anything. So it's going to be a great line. I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. And our third stage will be at the end of the year 2027, which will be sunscreen, bug spray, and hydrants, and many other products, skincare products made out of the same seaweed. So this is a big project. We've spent 7 months developing this project, and a little over $120,000, which I know it's not too much because we did it all in my same factory with my same people and with our own resources, which we've been trying to do cost efficient or economic efficient for this product, which we are ready. I hope you like this. I hope you vote for us. In other words, we'll be selling to all the Caribbean, and we can do for other different touristic areas. For example, just say Colombia. We are doing these made out of coffee also, which, you know, Colombia sells coffee. So we can do these things for other places. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. This is called SeaWi. You'll see a lot more of this very, very soon. And my name is Paul. Thank you.